Hello everyone and welcome back to another virtual program presented by the Pamunkey Regional Library. My name is DJ and I'm the Adult Services Librarian at the Mechanicsville Branch, and today we're going to be going over our February Take and Make tutorial for playing card notebooks. These kits will be available on Friday, February 3rd at the Mechanicsville Branch Library while supplies last, but this video will be a tutorial on how to make your own if you wanted to use your own supplies. So without further ado, let's go get started. So in front of me are all the supplies that you're going to be needing to make this little craft. Of course, we have our two playing cards. These are going to be the front and backs of the notebook. I just chose the Joker suit, but each of these take and make kits will have combinations of other different suits of cards as well. You'll have each kit will have about 20 of these little paper cut to size. These are not lined paper. If you wanted to use lined paper, you're more than welcome to on your own. And then we have this pink paper that's going to be our spine, or the part holding all the pieces of paper and the backs together at the end. And to do that, I'm going to be using tacky glue. If you have cement glue, that would probably be the best, or hot glue, that would probably be the best one just to use. But you could use like regular Elmer's glue or tacky glue. Just be careful and give it some ample time to dry as well. So we'll go ahead and get started with step number 1 then. So being as there's not really many steps in this process, I'm just going to take my notebook paper, make sure I even it out just right. And then I'm going to line it up with the tops of my notebook backs. And again, you can put the suits however you want to. I'm going to face them out like that. Or if you wanted to display this side, you're welcome to do that as well. It's just up to you what you want to do on the outside. So you make sure they're nice and even like that. And they should look something like that. So step number 2, we're going to be doing the hard part, which is going to be gluing and pasting our spine on top of the notebook. Now, I should have prefaced this earlier, but it will help if you have something holding your paper together while you're gluing it. So I've got these binder clips that I'm going to be using to keep my cards in place as I'm gluing, just so it's a little bit easier. You can use like paper clips, these binder clips. You can use a rubber band, whatever you all need to do. I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to take my tacky glue and I'm just going to glue the top of my notebook. It helps to even it out too. And if you get a little glue down the side, don't worry, this piece will be covering all of it. So once you're done with that, if you wanted to glue it along the front and back, you can too. That'll make it stay better. So I'm going to do that as well. That'll make the spine stay better. That, and then I'm going to do the other side as well. So it should look like a gluey mess. So the last step will be just gluing our little spine piece onto the notebook. Now, It's up to you how you want to do this. If you want to start from the top and just fold down, or if you want to start from the side and work your way around. I'm just going to start from the side and work my way around so I can get as much of the glue off the front as possible. And this glue does dry clear, so you don't need to, tacky glue dries clear at least, so you don't need to worry about white globs. Again, if you want to keep your notebook free of space for your suits to be visible, that's perfectly fine too. So I do have some negative space back here. If you wanted to, you're more than welcome to cut it just so it's even, but I would wait until after it's dried first to do that. Being as this is tacky glue, it'll take a while to dry. So after I'm done, I'm going to take my binder clip and I'm going to stick it up here just so it dries quicker, just so it's held together as it dries. All right, and then we will return once our creation has dried. Okay, so it's been 24 hours now, and it's plenty of time to let my glue dry, so I'm going to go ahead and take my binder clips off. And it should dry pretty nicely. Again, if you have some excess paper that you want to cut off, you're more than welcome to do that now. Like I said before, I would wait until your glue is fully dry before you start manipulating the paper in any way. But I'm going to just take my pair of scissors and then I'm going to cut off the paper just so my paper is even. I'm going to fold it up like that just so it's easier to cut, or easier to get an idea of what I'm cutting. And there we have it. There's my playing card notebook. Again, we've got the cover, and then we've got the paper in between here. So you can flip it up and write in it as you see fit. So thank you all for watching this video. We hope you all enjoyed it and learned a thing or two about making your own playing card notebook. Be sure to tune in next month. We will be presenting our take and make tutorial video on how to make St. Patrick's Day poppers for March. So be sure to tune in next time, and we hope to see you then. Everyone take care.